Hello my lovelies, today we're going to be making Pesada de Nance. Pesada de Nance is a smooth cream that we prepare with the Nanche fruit. This fruit is native to Central, South America, and also the Caribbean. It's known under many different names like Hogberry, Murici, Nanche, Krabu, but nonetheless it is the same delicious and exquisite fruit. Nance comes in many varieties like small and tart or big and sweet. They also have a very strong flavor and smell. They come in the colors yellow and red, but today we're going to use the red ones, so come along. We're going to start this recipe by placing 3 cups of nances in a blender. Next, we're going to add enough water to cover the nances. Next, we're going to blend the nances little by little. If you feel that your pulp is too thick and you need more water, then this is the time to add it. We're then going to take our pulp and we're going to pour this over a strainer so that we make sure that we don't have any bits and pieces of the nance seed. We just want the pure juice of this nance. If you need to add a little bit more water to continue extracting the juice, you can do so. But remember, if you water it down too much, then you're going to get a very faint taste of nance. Once we have extracted all of the juice, we're now going to transfer it into our cooking pot and add 1 cup of evaporated milk. We're then going to dissolve 2/3 cups of cornstarch into some warm water, and then we're going to pour that into our pesada or cream. Next up, we're going to be adding 1 cup of sugar, but remember, this is all going to depend on how sweet you would like your pesada. If you wanted a little bit more sweet, you could add some more sugar. A little bit less sweet, then add less than that cup. We want to stir our pesada constantly because we don't want it to stick to the bottom of our pot. We're going to cook this for a good 15 to 20 minutes. You're going to notice that once it starts to boil, it's going to begin to thicken. The consistency of our pesada should be not too thick as a porridge, nor too thin as a watery soup. It should be right in the middle. And we finish off this beautiful Pesada de Nance with some crumbled up Queso fresco on top. Pesada de Nance has an unforgettable taste and I know that you will like it. I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Remember to please subscribe and I will be back with more amazing and delicious recipes. Bye-bye!